Tell me when to stop.
If it's a shot, you can stop it.
Okay, go.
Now, it's very viscous. It's not all gonna go in my mouth.
Alright, swirl around with your finger.
Is it on video? Oh.
Show me the ramekin. Oh my god. How was it?